Alright guys, so now second to last video we're going to film while the VCR King is here. The last video being will be the firework video, and so this is going to be a destruction video. And what you see right here in front of me, inside this bag, so it's a Canon 8mm camcorder. So this camcorder, what happened is I bought it last year in April 2018. And so it was perfectly working, and I was glad I got a camcorder. And then unfortunately 5 days later it completely stopped working. What I mean is the video no longer worked, so all you see is black when trying to play a tape. So this is the issue that this one has, so it does not record anymore also. And so that kind of sucks because yeah, this camcorder has been used very little, and so it's kind of a shame that we have to get rid of this one, because from the outside this Canon camcorder is mint, so like it does not have a single scratch, and it's in very good condition outside. So only problem is that is the picture problem, which is caused by, of course, a capacitor problem, like most likely that's what it is. And so that sucks, and kind of a shame, and it's kind of upsetting that it stopped working like while it has been working perfectly fine when I had it. And so that sucks. And, I will show you what happens when I try to play a tape in. So the reason why I'm not keeping it is because, well, I don't want it anymore, and my friend Zachary sent me 3 Canon i8 camcorders, and one of them is perfectly working, so I don't need this one. And so this camcorder has 2 batteries, which are still, I think, perfectly good. There's this one here, and there's this one which is unopened battery. So this camcorder has been used very little. I'm going to keep the bag and store one of my camcorders in it. It does not use the same charger than these 3 other cameras, and it does not use the same batteries neither. And so camera mode still works on this one. And so what we're going to do is we will have it plugged to the TV on a camera mode, and we will smash it while it's gonna be plugged to a TV, so that's gonna be fun. Now I will put the battery and insert a tape and try to play it to let you see the problem that it has. Oh, it's lacking of battery. Let me plug it. Okay, now it's plugged to the power charger, and so the battery is still good, just it was not charged right now. Now press play. See what it does? A black picture with the on-screen display scrolling down. Now I will put it on camera mode, and you will see the power switch actually is mechanically driving the opening of the lens. Kind of interesting concept. So camera mode still works. At one point it was not working, but it usually works. Just it does not play tape. So yeah, like I said, a shame because it's in a mint cosmetic condition. Alright, now smashing time.
Over here, wait. Alright, so time looks like the can looks like he's explaining about the camera's problem. And now let's smash.
Alright guys, smashing time. So you see the Canon camcorder here is plugged on camera mode to this CRT TV. And you see here's the camcorder. It's currently recording, and this is a fully functional i8 camcorder. So who needs this broken camcorder when you have this working one? So,
Yeah.
we have 3 camcorders. We have one i8 and my camera and Anthony's camera.
Yeah. We got that too.
So where do you put it? Oh, it's right here.
Yeah, mine's there.
Okay.
I'm gonna
want you guys to see the TV well. Hope you see it pretty well now.
Glasses off for a second. Let's go. Okay, that was a good dent.
So no picture anymore. Oh, just this.
You close that.
Yeah, it closed this.
Oh, let me film the TV too.
The mechanism blocking.
Oh, you broke the mechanism. Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Is it still angled correctly yet?
Now it's off. You killed it.
Nope.
Oh, you didn't kill it? Oh, it says he what the fuck is look at the TV? Woo! You killed it. That's it.
Yeah, it's dead.
Yeah. See ya.
And I'll get my TV out of the way so I don't damage it.
Get your TV out of the way. You gonna put him in the other room?
Yeah, I'll go put it in the other
Alright. I'll cut that.
room. You can keep filming with the highlight.
Yeah, I will. Your cat's coming in.
Yeah.
I'll take care of her.
Okay, so angle's correct right now.
Yep, hold on, let me turn mine back on.
Highlight's still filming.
Yeah, she's filming. Alright. Close the door.
And angle's okay on my camera. And there we go.
Alright, here we go. Say bye. Woo! Yeah.
It's pretty tough.
Yeah, it sure is. You can't even recognize it anymore. Let me hit the mega. Oh shit, I'm blocking. Keep going, it's fine. Keisha. Cat's in here. I'll kill the rest. Ready for this?
Yeah.
Alright. Hold on, let me just... How about that for PlayStation 4? There it is. PlayStation 4 here. I'll have you play it. Let me see. Oh, I got the goddamn thing. Hey, I found the mode switch. Not anymore. It's gone. Let me kill this lens. Hold up.
Loading motor.
Found the loading motor. This could still work. I think I had shoes on. Oh, you want? I actually want to kill this piece. I want to destroy this piece. I want to destroy that piece.
Okay.
You hold the camera. And you'll see me demolish this in less than a second. Oh, there it is. Wait. Hey, there that goes. Just
Thank God we have 60 glasses.
yeah. Alright. Yeah, you think you want that?
I think you should not do that in the house.
Well, do it for the views. Oh fuck, it's not flying!
Alright, so this is what is remaining of this Canon 8mm camcorder. You can't even recognize it anymore.
Well, you can only recognize this piece, which is not for long going to be recognized, because wow, this thing is axe-proof.
Yeah, it's a drum, right? So it's.
Oh, but I
it's
dented
solid.
it. Oh, I can make a turn now. I can't even turn it well enough.
So now I think that's pretty much enough for this video, and I'll see you bye for later for the firework video. We're going to go to that park and
Light some fireworks up.
so again here's the two camcorders. So with my Sony camcorder I'm filming the high 8, and with the high 8 I'm filming with my HD, so
Yep.
kind of interesting.
Oh, one more thing. If you, like I said, if you mess with Mr. Manioscope and his VCRs, I'll be coming there and doing this to your VCR. You understood? So, anyway, we can rewind. That was